balloon decorators! Welcome to another tutorial. Have you guys ever wondered how many ways are there to create a balloon wall? From the top of my head, I think at least 4. In this video, we will show you the fastest and easiest way to create a balloon wall. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Let's start with our balloons. I know you guys want to know the colors we use here, and here it is. Sea glass, empowerment, lilac, and a golden rod stuffed with orange. We used 11-inch balloons to create quads of each color, and now, using a string, we will put our quads in a structured garland, mixing colors. Create a garland that will be about 8 to 8.5 feet long. We will need 6 or 7 garlands for our size of the wall. Really depends on how big you inflate your balloons. We will also create 5-inch quad fillers. Now let's put our pipe and drape in place. Next, we will lay our garland vertically on the base and attach it using 260s. Each garland has roughly 15 quads on it. You can always add more or pop a balloon if needed. The first garland is in place. Let's place the next garland on top of it and secure it to the base and to the previous garland using the loops of 260s. We will be adding garlands until we cover the top of the base. It is okay if you see the holes. We will cover them later. And just like that, our balloon wall is in place. Now, we will fill in the holes and add a little more dimension to it by adding our 5-inch quads. We simply tie a 260 to it and attach it to the balloon wall. balloon wall is ready. Here we use the colors that can fit the Easter theme, but if you want, you can change the appearance of it by adding a 5-inch quad in the accent color to it. Like hot pink balloons make our wall to be a perfect fit for a Coachella theme party. And you can always jazz up your garland by adding accents to it like molars or specialty balloons. Here we added balloon rainbows, llamas, and streamers. To create this display, we used about 150 balloons, including the ones that stuck inside of the golden rod. We made 6 balloon rainbows and added 2 mylar llamas. And we added 3 shimmer streamers. It took 2 people about 35 minutes to put the balloon wall up. But remember, our balloons were pre-inflated, so keep that in mind when planning your time. Now, that looks like $1 million, doesn't it? This display can fit so many different events, like birthdays or showers or even a corporate event. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to sell it for. Keep on shining, and I will see you in the next video.